Today we have to take the topic of chapter 5 arithmetic progression of class 10. It is also known as AP. A means arithmetic and P means progression. So our topic is arithmetic progression. To describe the arithmetic progression, first we have to describe series. सबसे पहले हम सीरीज को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. द सीरीज इज ए डेफिनेट पैटर्न. लाइक वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द काउंटिंग नंबर. काउंटिंग नंबर्स आर 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are counting numbers. We see that when we add 1 in the first term, 1 we get 2. Further, when we add 1 in the 2, we get 3. Similarly, when we add 1 in the preceding term, we get the next term. So, all the terms have the same difference. They have the same pattern. So, it is series. Similarly, we take another example like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These numbers have the same pattern. These are even numbers. Even numbers have the same difference. When we add 2 in the first term, we get 2 plus 2, 4. Similarly, we add 2 in the 4, we get 6. Similarly, 6 plus 2, we get 8. 8 plus 2, we get 10. Similarly, we can find the other term. So, that are also based on the same pattern. So, it is series. This term may be positive or negative or 0. You see that first and second example are of positive numbers. But the third example we have to take for negative numbers. The first term is 5. We have to subtract 2. 5 minus 2, we get 3. Similarly, we have to subtract 2 from 3, we get 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Means every number is 2 less than the preceding number. Now we have to take another example which has the difference 0. Means when we add 0 from the 2, we get 2. Similarly, all numbers have the same value. Because 0 is the additive identity. Means when we add 0 from the any number, we get the same number. Means there is no change in the series. So overall, these patterns are known as series. But our topic is arithmetic progression. So series is related to arithmetic progression. We see the definition of arithmetic progression. And arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. तो इसका क्या मीनिंग है कि arithmetic progression एक ऐसी सीरीज है जिसमें नंबरों की एक पूरी लिस्ट होती है. जैसे कि एक नंबर की लिस्ट दी हुई है, ये लिस्ट ऑफ द नंबर ऑब्टेन बाय एडिंग ए फिक्स्ड नंबर. ये लिस्ट कैसे ऑब्टेन होगी? बाय एडिंग ए फिक्स्ड नंबर. हम देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे हमने सीरीज में एक फिक्स्ड नंबर को ऐड किया है टू द प्रीसीडिंग टर्म. मींस ठीक पहले की टर्म में, जैसे 1 में हमने 1 ऐड किया, 2 प्रीसीडिंग टर्म में ही हम ऐड कर रहे हैं. 2 में 1 ऐड किया, 3. the last term means except the first term. ये रूल कब अप्लाई होगा? फर्स्ट टर्म को छोड़ के बाकी सब टर्म पे ये अप्लाई होगा. फर्स्ट टर्म इस रूल से अलग होगी. फर्स्ट टर्म इज फिक्स्ड. और हम जो देख रहे हैं कि ये जो नंबर लिखे हैं फिक्स्ड नंबर, these fixed number are known as common difference. In this example, the common difference is 1. Here, the common difference is 2. Here, common difference -2. And here, common difference is 0. So, we can say that the fixed number is called common difference. It can be positive, negative or 0. This common difference is represented by the letter D. Common difference को हम D letter से represent करते हैं. The D is equal to A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. These number A2 क्या है? Second term. A1 क्या है? First term. Means common difference क्या हुआ? Second term minus first term. और third term minus second term. Similarly, other. So we can say that it is A2, it is A1. A2 minus A1 means 2 minus 1, 1. A3, 3. And A2, 2. A3 minus A2 means 3 minus 2, we get 1. So this is 1 is common difference represented by the small letter D. This AP can be classified into the two forms. AP, first finite AP and second infinite AP. Finite AP. Finite AP is that AP in which the number of terms in the given list are countable. Like in this example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. There are total terms 6. 6 is countable number. So this series is finite AP. We take another example, 1, 4, 7, 10. You see that here dots are present. This dots show that the series is continuous up to infinite. So in this series, the number of elements are not countable. Means infinite terms are present in this series. So this is known as infinite AP. तो ये अभी दो तरीके की AP बताएं, finite AP, infinite AP. लेकिन इस AP की जनरल फॉर्म क्या होगी? हम कैसे इस AP को जनरल फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? So our general form of the AP is A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. जहाँ पे A क्या है? A is first term. जैसे कि हमारे पास ये सीरीज है, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है? 1. तो A क्या हुआ? 1. और D is common difference we described above, which is +1. So in this way, when we follow this rule, that is the general form of AP, that is the introduction of arithmetic progression. Thank you.